Finn's Norwegian adventure. On a rocky cliff in the land of the midnight sun lived a little puffin named Finn. He loved his home by the deep blue sea, but his heart was full of adventure. "What lies beyond our island?" he chirped to the salty wind. One day, Finn took a brave breath and flew south. He soared over water that mirrored the sky until he saw something amazing. A line of colorful wooden houses crowded together by a busy harbor. He landed on a rooftop in a city called Bergen. "This is Briggen," a kind gull told him. Long ago, trading ships from all over the world filled this harbor. Finn could almost hear the shouts of the sailors. Flying inland, Finn saw mountains so tall they wore hats of snow. Tucked in a green valley was a strange and beautiful church, made of dark wood with dragon heads carved on its roof. It looked like a castle from a fairy tale. Further north, the air grew crisp and cold. Finn landed in a quiet, snowy forest. There he met a reindeer with large, gentle eyes and magnificent antlers. "Hello, little one. I am Saga," the reindeer said in a calm voice. Saga told Finn about the Sami people, who have lived in these lands for thousands of years. "We follow the reindeer and listen to the whispers of the wind," she explained. "Nature is our home and our guide." Saga led Finn to a large flat rock. On its surface were ancient red drawings of boats, animals, and people. "Our ancestors carved these stories in stone," she said, "so we would never forget our history." That night, Saga showed Finn a real wonder. As darkness fell, the sky began to dance. Ribbons of green and purple light swirled above them. "The northern lights," Finn chirped, his eyes wide with amazement. It was time to fly home. Finn soared over mighty fjords where mountains dove straight into the deep, still water. He saw waterfalls tumbling down cliffs like long silver ribbons. It was the most beautiful place he had ever seen. Back on his home cliff, Finn looked at the sea with new eyes. He had seen ancient cities, wise reindeer, and dancing lights. He knew his home was just one beautiful part of a big, wonderful country full of history and magic.